Let's open up. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Travel case. Very small. Does that come? Okay. That's kind of nice. Rotate back and forth to achieve seal. Alright. Charging cable. Analog cable. And interchangeable tips. Okay. Ear tip mesh. Oh, okay. Okay, push these through. Pull that. Alright. And that's them. Interesting. These little prong bits must be obviously where it charges. They do feel like they're definitely good quality. Let's have a look at the cables. Okay. Oh, I see. So to use it wired, yeah, these little prongs here will attach to the top four. Ooh, it's a magnet. Yeah, I like that magnet action. So then this is your situation after that. I mean, it's not the worst. I can deal with that. Charging cable. Okay. Same deal. Magnetic connection. So yeah, let's try them out. So I've downloaded the app. It's asking me to create an account. Alright. So I've had it charging for the past, I don't know, 20 minutes. Alright, find a quiet space. Nuraloop uses patented technology. Okay. Alright. I'll do that then. Oh. Okay, this goes a lot further into my ear than I thought it would. Jesus Christ. Okay. Let's see how this goes. Now I've tried the headphones when I was in Australia visiting a friend, and even for that brief moment. Okay, so I tried the headphones out, and even I only tried them for like maybe 10-15 minutes, and even that I could tell there was like a difference between those and a regular set of headphones. So yeah, I'm a bit excited to see what this one's gonna be like. Alright, so it's saying it's gonna play some tones to make sure that they're in properly. Okay, those are weird sounds. Processing my personalization. All done.
Scroll your finger around the left touch dial to adjust.
Oh. Ooh, it's letting in ambient noise just now. And there's a bunch of different settings, and it's telling me to scroll across this. So let's turn social mode off. Listen to like, I'll check out 3 tracks. Okay, so I'm listening to it in neutral mode. Now I hit personalized. Ooh. So that's my hearing profile right there. That's how I hear apparently. And it's got like different levels of immersion. So that immersion mode dial is down at the bottom. Let's crank that right the way up to the top. Ooh. It does something to the bass. Let's turn the volume up. Let's try another track. Okay. Alright. That still sounds sick. Alright, I gotta stop. I'm getting too into it. Well, okay, so closing thoughts on the Nuraloop. After I've kind of messed around with it for a day, when you are on social modes, the mic picks up your voice pretty well, and I've made a few calls on it, and it does definitely pick up your voice quite well. And the important stuff, the sound quality is really good on these, like a lot better than I thought they were going to be. The seal that it actually manages to create with its design, and in that regard it's pretty good. And I was editing the first little part of the video and could hear that while I was listening to the music there was some bleed that the mic was picking up. So that's another thing to take into account when you're in full immersion and you've got the volume all the way up. There is a little bit of bleed that you can pick up from the mic, and I'm sitting about maybe like 3 or 4 feet away from the mic. So yeah, there's that to consider. It's another thing about the battery life. It says 16 plus hours. Yesterday when I was messing around with it, I charged it up to 60% and had everything full, immersion mode all the way up, volume all the way up, and the battery does take a hit, and it seems to drop pretty quickly. I've not done like a full day test on it yet, so who knows. So the touch dials on the sides, they seem to be very sensitive, so even the slightest touch will take them out of their deep sleep mode, and then if your Bluetooth is on, it will immediately connect to your Bluetooth. A couple times I was watching a video on my phone, I may have bumped these the slightest bit, and the sound cut out, and I wasn't too sure why, and then I realized it was just connected to this. When I've had these on and I've been listening to music, there are a couple times where it'll just pause the music. I won't have touched any of the dials, I won't have done anything, but it'll just pause with no reason as to why. I've not seen any difference in the app. Like no notifications flash up. It just seems to be. It might be something to do with software. Who knows? But yeah, all in all, I'd say for £200, they definitely are worth the money that you pay for them. So yeah, if you found this video informative, let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, do all that stuff if you want. But yeah, stay safe.